Your CapCut app might be installed perfectly, but it won't open at all after downloading it from the App Store on your iPhone. Most users face this problem without knowing what's stopping it. In this video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut not opening problem. So let's fix it right now. Before doing anything else, first try restarting your iPhone and try updating again. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap the Delete app again. Solution 2. Offload and reinstall CapCut. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your problem is fixed by now. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.